have a 2013 Freightliner Cascadia 125 model. It is a day cab truck. It's got an IS6 15 Cummins in it. We're going to go ahead and give you a demonstration on it and do a startup for you. We're going to go ahead and do the quick initiation so you can hear all the injectors engage. Okay, and the ABS brakes are engaging as well. Now we're going to go ahead and start it for you. As you can hear, it starts easily. Go ahead and pull that cap off and let you see the blow by. It has minimal blow by for a truck that has 621,000 miles. Go ahead and give it a rev up here. Let you hear it doesn't have any clicks or tings. Clean oil. It is also not leaking oil. That there is not leaking at all either. Now we're gonna go ahead and close this hood up for you, and I'm gonna go ahead and do a demonstration for the brakes. Close it with ease, all the lights work. Go ahead and latch this up for you. These are always hard to get on the Freightliners. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and give you a demonstration, go forward and backwards, and show you the brakes are engaging. Showing you it's shifting in pattern as well. The backup alarm is engaging. It is DOT approved, inspected. This truck is still currently working. As you can see, the brakes engage and stop very easily. Now we're gonna go ahead and give you a demonstration video of us driving it, let you show it goes up to speed, shifts well, there's no clinks or clatters. And we're going to be selling this truck again at Equipment Deals. If you want to contact me to get further information about this truck, please contact us at 480-282-3319.